Playground?
Yes. Yes.
Let's go to the pool first.
Yeah.
Just to look at
Go
it.
where?
Pool.
What?
Okay, I was sitting right there talking to you guys. And it looked...
Is it on video?
Hi.
Yes.
It looked like they could see me, but they couldn't see you guys.
So you were just
So
talking
it was
to
like I
someone.
was sitting there laughing and talking to you.
There you go.
You do
Which
that so
isn't that
often.
far off.
I know. You just get on the
We just broke the rules.
all the rules.
We're on the playground.
We're horrible people.
You better watch out.
Mm-hmm.
And we have a wheel. It's yellow. And a great view of all of them.
Hello, Emily. Hello. We're making a video.
I already hurt myself. I scraped my knee.
We're such bad people. We're older than 12.
I'm a parrot. The one that we did on the playground.
Ooh, in a minute. Haley.
Hi.
Hello.
He was like, woo!
Oh, hi. It's Monday.
It rained. And we're sitting next to a campfire.
Okay, I wasn't gonna fall all the way up.
I wish I had a camera. This is so cool.
Just to film from your perspective.
Yeah.
I didn't know if you wanted to get upside down before.
No, I'll just do it right side up, but the camera will be upside down and it'll know what I mean. I need you now. You should all duck.
I thought so.
Made sense in
Didn't know it makes sense to you. Okay. What did it make sense? You looked like you were going to throw it at me, but I thought you were going to throw it at me.
I figured you were gonna throw it at someone
Yeah,
else.
see, like that. Distractions. Are you guys not wanting to play?
I'm playing. My legs are just lazy. And I'm a bad thrower.
You'd be better if you stood up.
But you're going from
If you would have changed.
I did change. I changed.
Did it make a difference?
What is going on?
You're just like, my leg is.
I thought maybe if I piggyback.
What was going on?
I was trying to.
Was it fun?
No. I couldn't get my other leg through, so it was just like, ah.
Even more.